Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing the watercolor method, my very first time on this old unit here that I previously dyed green only on the closure portion. So this was emerald. Emerald is now getting transformed into poison ivy, honey, because she is that lethal poison. So first what you want to do is go ahead and section off the areas that you want to go ahead and color or lift, and I did this off camera, you guys. I do have a video already. I will place it in the description bar below as well as in the video of where I lifted this hair, and I'm going to process for 45 minutes. So on to the next steps. We're going to go ahead and get the watercolor ready before we start. I'm using the bold color, and this is new from Armstrong McCall. If you are a licensed stylist, you can pick this up. So the unit has been washed out, the bleach is gone. You're going to go ahead and take your bowl, you're going to fill it up a quarter of the way with warm to hot water. And that's warm to hot water. You're then going to take your color and squeeze that into whatever you're using and stir that up, because you want to make the color really good and just pure, and you know, so it can be popping. And this color is specified for boldness, so that's why I'm using it. So I'm just stirring it up, stirring it up, stirring it up, and you guys are gonna see me dip. This is my very first time doing this, you guys. I did not know if it was gonna work or not, but your girl said let me try, because I was being so lazy and didn't want to color this whole thing again. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys keep watching.
I wanna see what's out.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. Time for the dip. So what you're gonna do is take your unit or the bundles, and you're gonna dip that into the water. And I started off with the ends because, again, you guys, this is my first time. I did not know if this was gonna work or not, so I just tried it. And the color is green, you guys. It is not purple, although it looks like the real nasty looking. Yeah, no, it's green. So I just dipped this unit in here, and I just kept dipping, and then you're gonna see me submerge it into the water in just a moment. But I just kept dipping until I got to the desired look that I thought was pretty good, you know, for my first time. So I'm gonna let you guys keep watching, honey. Oh, disclaimer, you can dunk the lace, closure, frontal, whatever you may have into this watercolor. It will not turn that closure or frontal any other color. If you're doing this the right way, you're good. So I'm gonna let you keep watching. Okay, you guys, here is the final results. I hope you guys like this color. Please stay tuned for part 2 of how I style and go ahead and attach the unit to my head. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to me, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Toodles.